Welcome to Campbell RV, the Gulf Coast's premier destination for RVs. And here's a look at another great vehicle from our inventory. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with rear bath, large kitchen sink, a backup camera, power awning, fire extinguisher, ducted AC, kitchen pantry, front bedroom, single slide, theater seat for two with cup holders, bathroom toilet, power tongue jack, USB charging station, spare tire, bathroom tub shower combo, closets on both sides of the bed, pleated shades, AM/FM CD DVD player, booth dinette, over-the-range microwave, sofa bed, walk-around queen bed, double bed bunks, smoke detector, 3-burner range, entertainment center, carbon monoxide detector, cable TV hookup, lift-up queen bed, stabilizer jacks, sleeps up to 9 people. At Campbell RV, we've been helping families create memories since 1993. Besides new and pre-owned RVs for sale and rent, Campbell RV also services them as well. We work to provide a learning environment where you can get your questions answered without pressure to buy. From our family to yours, Campbell RV is here to provide you with the best experience possible picking out the right RV for you. Come see us today at 617 Callemen Road in Sarasota. Campbell RV, where away is closer than you think.